how to stop people from seeing you viewed their profile on TikTok. So in this video, I'll show you how to prevent people from knowing you viewed their profile on TikTok. So if you've received notifications saying someone viewed your profile and you want to browse profiles anonymously, here's how. So first, you need to go ahead and launch your TikTok application on your mobile device, log into your account, and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three lines in the top right and go to Settings and Privacy. Now from Settings and Privacy, go to Privacy, which is below the account option. And here you need to scroll all the way down, and there you'll see the option of viewers, that is between favorite sounds and blocked accounts. This disables your ability to see who viewed your profile, but also prevents others from seeing when you view theirs. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.